Hello everyone, this is Ethan in Dingli. In the last issue, we have introduced 4 points about the winter use and maintenance of the engine type MEWP. You can check the history record if you missed that. Today, we have prepared some tips about the use and maintenance of battery for electric models in winter. As we all know, electric models mainly use lead-acid batteries and lithium batteries. In the following, I'll introduce you one by one. First, the most common lead-acid battery. Let's take this AC scissor lift as an example. Let's have a look. The general operating temperature of the lead-acid batteries ranges from -15 to 50 centigrade. In low temperature, the capacity of the battery will be reduced accordingly. How to ensure that the battery can work normally but also extend its service life? First, before using, make sure that the battery is in a high power state. Secondly, always focus on the battery status and charge it in time when the battery is low. Otherwise, there is a risk of the battery electrolyte freezing. Last, charging the machine in time after use, which can extend the battery life effectively. Next, let's talk about lithium batteries. Dingli electric boom lifts are equipped with a high-capacity lithium battery pack, and its applicable temperature is between -10 and 40 centigrade. Before use, we need to know that when the temperature is lower than -20 centigrade, the discharge will be limited. At this time, you need to wait until the temperature rises. After use, the battery is warm and suitable for charging. You should get into the habit of charging, because the battery needs self-heat before charging when it is below 0 centigrade, and the charging time will be longer. When the machine is idle, turn off all the power switches to reduce its self-discharge. We need to fully charge the battery at least once a week and recharge it once every 3 months. Finally, I'd like to explain a common misunderstanding to you. We need to know that the endurance will be reduced due to the lower temperature in winter, but it doesn't mean that the battery is broken. After the temperature rises, the endurance will automatically come back. In addition, with a lower temperature environment, for the first use or after long-term storage, the battery level meter display may be a little bit deviated. After fully charged, the system will automatically calibrate. Well, that's all for today. This is Ethan in Dingli. See you next time.